A further consequence of the budgetary strictures which we face is that critical areas where there is urgent national need will be shortchanged and underfinanced. National security is one such area. There is no one in Jamaica today who is not painfully aware of the depth of the crisis that we face as far as the security of our citizens is concerned. Last year, despite the promise of the Honourable Prime Minister during the election campaign that we are going to be able to sleep with our doors and windows open if his party won, Jamaicans now have never felt more insecure. For the current calendar year, the pace of criminal activity persists without relent. Murders are already up 22.7% over last year. Shootings are up by 37.3%. The Prime Minister promised last year that there would be unprecedented provision, unprecedented, end quote, provision of resources to deal with security problems in this year's budget. Sadly, the budget documents circulated in the House indicate no such provision. The recurrent budget for the Ministry of National Security is less than that of last year in nominal terms. The recurrent budget for the Police Department is down from last year by more than $1.5 billion. MOCA, which is supposed to deal with organized crime and anti-corruption efforts, has had its budget cut by more than half. And the capital budget of the Ministry of National Security is down by approximately 30%. The pattern covers almost all the agencies, including the Correctional Service. So not only do we not have the provision of unprecedented increases, we actually have reduced resources. And, you know, there's an interesting irony in all of this, because I heard the Minister of Finance talk about the planes, or the plane, aircraft, right? And he traded in 3 ships that we had bought for 2, which I support. But the truth is, the gunmen attacking people not at sea but on land. And we need more cars. They need more cars and they need more budget for the cars.